And we're gonna try to post a video. So we're gonna try to post a video every day of our trip when we go on the loop. And so we're getting more comfortable talking to the camera and all that jazz. So today we're just out here on a sail. We're chilling on Lake Michigan. It's a great day. We got our generator here. Got the pee pad for the dogs. The anchor snubbers right there. We're gonna use that in a bit when we anchor to practice anchoring. Greg's out here solo sailing for fun. We got the head sail nice and tight. The sun is shining. The world is our oyster. There's another sailboat right there. And he doesn't even have all of his head sail out. So definitely an amazing day. I'll take some more footage in a bit. Well, they're putting down the mainsail now. Velma's walking back over. I'm on the helm. Got some beautiful views behind us. And yeah, now we're gonna practice anchoring with our new chain. This is gonna be our first time anchoring with the anchor chain. And we're gonna see how it goes. So, not sure how well you hear me with all this wind. Scooby yawned. But yeah, we're gonna try that now. We are back in the slip. Forgot to videotape anything about the anchoring or the docking. We'll get better at remembering, but the anchor was really hard. It's really, really heavy. We anchored in like 30 feet of water, so we're never going to do that on the river system. Probably won't even be a lot of places that's 30 feet deep. So that's something to look forward to, is that it's only going to be like 10 feet deep when we anchor, so we only need to put out like 30 feet of chain, 40 feet of chain, since the chain's so heavy. So now we're going to make dinner on our CNG stovetop inside of the boat. So just to show you guys how our CNG works, right down there is a CNG tank full of natural gas that is connected to our boat right there, and it goes in and it comes around here to this stove and it's on. There's this here that is a on and off switch for the gas itself. And just use a little long lighter and it gets the gas going. And yeah, water is going to make some Alfredo. The noodles are cooking. On our boat. Got a beautiful sunset coming in. Absolute gorgeous sunset coming in, right, Velma? And the noodles are just about done. So, should be good eats soon here. Except we don't have a strainer.
Creamy Alfredo, it smells good.
And there is dinner with a beautiful sunset. And the pepperino. How was it?
Not bad, pretty good.
Not bad. Scooby-Doo, Velma, how is it? That is it for our quick little video. Thank you so much for watching. Go ahead and like and subscribe if you want to follow along when we leave for the Great Loop. Thank you.